that's who it belongs to. If I was your woman, the things I do to you, but I'm not, so I can't, and I won't. But if I was your girl,
so this is the final look of this unit that I'm sporting today. Now, if you don't realize by the title, this unit is actually part of my collection with Myfirstwigs.com. So this is the second unit that I rolled out with. Now, this is a highlighted unit. So this is 20 inches long, guys. It's about 130 to 150% density. Now, with this one, I consider it about like a 1B30 color. It's like pretty highlighted colors. Some places around this one, you'll get chunky highlights, but you'll see in areas like here, you'll see the highlights on this side, you'll see the highlights over here, and a lot of emphasis in the front, which I really like about this unit. Now I think that this is a really solid unit, especially for someone that doesn't know how to color units. If you're looking for something that's simple, that's subtle, that's going to give you a little bit of a glam, a little bit of a push, I definitely consider purchasing this unit. Now this is a lace front unit, guys. It comes with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with an adjustable strap. Now I think that with the amount of space that they give you, meeting parting space, which is about 3.5 to 5, you can do a lot of different styles, a lot of different looks with this one. I do want to mention that I did go in and do highlights. Wow. I did go in and do a little bit of layers in the front just to kind of frame my face. I cut some here in the front right here along with the bang section in the front just so I can give myself a little bit more of a glam look, a little bit more of a kind of like pretty, I don't know, you guys know what I mean. You can see it right now and you're like, yes, because I'm like, yes. So I definitely like this a lot. I'm super, super happy. Thank you to everyone who's purchased my last wig. That went so well. You guys absolutely love that unit, and I'm super happy that this unit is finally done and ready to go up. So I'll definitely leave all the information down below if you're interested in purchasing this one from myfirstwigs.com. Do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.